Hello, good evening. Good evening, all of you. In the previous lecture, we have discussed 3A of November 20 paper. Now we are discussing 3B. Look at this. We are discussing SFM paper 1, November 2020 SFM paper, new syllabus. So in the previous class, we have discussed till 3B, 3A. Now we are going to discuss 3B. This problem is relating to mutual funds. Okay, bit analytical problem, nothing more than that. Just no complication, just a small thought. That's okay, right? So very good problem, a 10 marks problem, mutual fund. 3B, Mrs. Corpus and AMC on 1st April 2015 has floated two schemes, dividend plan and bonus plan. Mr. X, an investor, has invested in both the schemes. The following details except the issue price are available. Date, dividend, bonus ratio, NAV, dividend plan, bonus plan, 1st April 2015, 31st March 2016, 31st March 2017, 18, so on, so details they have given. Additional details, investment amount, average profit, average. Okay, you are required to calculate the issue price of both the schemes on 1st April 2015. Okay, so they are asking us to calculate the issue price. They have given the information related to investment, profit, etc. And they are asking us to calculate the issue price. Okay, right. So let me start with the dividend plan. We'll start with the dividend plan. We'll start with dividend plan A, dividend plan. Okay, dividend plan, issue price, dividend plan. We'll start dividend plan. Okay, we'll start dividend plan. Now look at this. So what is the initial investment made for the dividend plan? 9,20,000 is the initial investment. 9,20,000 is the initial investment. Average profit is 27,740. That means the closing value is 9,47,000. As simple as that. Okay, ma? So opening investment plus profit is equal to closing value. Opening investment plus profit is equal to closing value. So opening investment we have 9,20,000 plus profit we have how much it is 27,748. 27,748.6. Closing value 9,47,748.6. 9,47,748.6. Number of units and the closing. What is the number of units on 31st March 2020? Number of units on 31st March 2020. Number of units on 31st March 2020. So what is the number of units? 9,47,000 is the investment closing value divided by NAV of each unit. Dividend plan NAV of each unit as on 31st March 20 is 49 rupees. Is 49 rupees divided by 49. So that will give you number of units. Okay, ma, take that number of units. 9,47,748.6 divided by 49. That will give you number of units. That will give you number of units. But 19,341.81. If you round it off, it will be 2. Okay. 19,341. This is the number of units as on 31st March 2020. Now we'll calculate number of units before that date. This is the dividend date and last dividend paid is 31st March 2019. So now we have to calculate the number of units on 31st March 2019. Number of units on 31st March 2019 before reinvestment. Okay, so if I take this x as a number of units before reinvestment of dividends, I'll take x units plus additional units purchased is equal to 19,342. So as on 31st March 2020, we have 19,342. That means as on 31st March 2019, after reinvestment. This is after reinvestment. We got this 19,342. Now our object is to identify what is this additional units. How will you calculate the additional units? Dividend amount divided by NAV per unit. This is the number of additional units you purchase. So for example, dividend amount is 10,000 and NAV is 10 rupees. You can purchase 1,000 units. 10,000 is the dividend amount, 10 rupees is the NAV. With 10,000 rupees dividend amount and rupees 10 NAV, you can purchase 1,000 units, as simple as that. So this will be 19,342. 19,342. Now the dividend amount, is, if I assume face value as 10, so number of units X, dividend amount into face value of 100 into face value of 10 into rate of dividend of how much? For 15%. Rate of dividend of 15%. That numerator will give you total the dividend amount. Total dividend amount NAV is equal to 19,342. 19,342. Okay, ma? Right. Now, so now if you calculate X plus, so if I assume face value of 10, rate of dividend is 15%. Look at the question, rate of dividend is 15%. That means 1.5 rupees. So number of units X into 1.5. So rate of dividend 15%. Face value is 10. That means dividend amount per unit is 1.5. Dividend amount per unit is 1.5. Total dividend amount is 1.5x. Dividend amount per unit is 1.5. Total dividend amount is 1.5x. Divided by NAV. What is the NAV? As on 31st March 2019, what is the NAV? 45. 45 is the NAV. Is equal to 19,342. Therefore, X is equal to 19,342 into 45. This will go there. And X plus 1.5 divided by 46.5. Divided by 46.5. You do it LCM, will get it. So into 45 divided by 45 plus 1.5. It will be 46.5. So therefore, X is equal to 19,342. 19,342 divided by 40 into 45. Into 45, 93,342, 19,342 into 45 divided by 46.5. Divided by 46.5. So it will be 18,708. It will be say 18,718. It will be 18,718. It will be 18,718. Okay. 18,718 is the number of units as simple as that. Okay. It will be 18,718. Number of units as on 31st March 2019 is this point. Number of units as on 31st March 2019 is this point. Okay, ma? Right. Next. So after that, if you take this point, okay, right. Next, we'll calculate number of units as on 30 before the date. Before the date, what is the dividend rate? 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. We'll calculate the same thing. Number of units on 31st March 2018. Number of units on 31st March 2018. Same X plus additional units. So X plus additional units. Rate of dividend is how much? 10. So therefore 1X. 1 rupee per dividend per unit. 1 rupees dividend per unit. 1 rupees dividend per unit into X. Total dividend number divided by NAV. What is the NAV on 31st March 2018? NAV is 46. NAV is 46. Let me take it once again. 31st March 2018. NAV is 50. NAV is 50. Okay. NAV is 50. Okay. Right. So therefore it will be 18,718. Therefore X is equal to 18,718 into 50 divided by 50 plus 1. 51. 50 plus 1, 51. Therefore X is equal to 18,718. X is equal to 18,718 into how much? Into 50. Into 50. Into 50 divided by 51. Divided by 51. Into 50 divided by 51. This will be 18,351. 18,351. This will be 18,351 units. 18,351 units. X divided by 50 is equal to 18,718. Therefore, X is equal to 18,718 into 50 divided by 51. Emma, do it LCM, will get it. Do it LCM, will get. Therefore, X is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? 18,351. 18,351. X is equal to 18,351. If you take number of units, what is the before dividend date? Number of units on 31st March 2017. Number of units on 31st March 2017. Number of units on 31st March 2017. Same. X plus what is the rate of dividend? 12%. Rate of dividend is 12%. That means 1.2 rupees. 1.2 rupees dividend per unit. 1.2 rupees dividend per unit into number of units. Total dividend number divided by NAV. What is the NAV on 31st March 2017? NAV is 48. 31st March 2017, NAV of dividend plan is 47 rupees. NAV of dividend plan is 48. Okay, NAV of dividend plan is 48. 18,351. So therefore, X is equal to 18,351 into 48 divided by 49.2. 18,351 into 48. 18,351 into 48. 18,351 into 48 divided by 49.2. Divided by 49.2. Therefore, it will be 17,903 units. 17,903 units. 17,903 units. So 17,903 units as on 31st March 2013. 17,903 units. Okay, 17,903 units. If you take our total investment, what is our investment value? Our investment value is 9,20,000. Our investment is 9,20,000, and we have the number of units is 17,903. Investment is 9,20,000, and number of units is 17,903. Thereby, you can get the total value. You can get the total value of the investment. Now you can get it. So in number of units purchased, issue price is equal to issue price of dividend plan. Issue price of dividend plan is equal to total investment amount divided by number of units. Investment amount divided by number of units. 9,20,000 divided by 17,903. 9,20,000 divided by 17,903. 9,20,000. So 9,20,000. 9,20,000 divided by 703. It will be around 51.39. 51.39. Issue price will be 51.39. 51.39. You can take the screenshot of this mark. You can take the screenshot of it. Opening investment is 9,20,000. Profit is 27,748. Closing value is 9,47,748. Number of units is 19,340. You have to come from reverse. 31st March 2020, 19,342. As on 31st March 2018. As on 31st March 2018. So before investment, X units. Additional units is equal to after reinvestment. After reinvestment. It is the number of units on the next date. Here the only thing I have assumed is the face value of the 10 rupees. This is the assumption. This is my assumption. Face value of 10 rupees is my assumption. That's it. Face value of 10 rupees is the assumption. So therefore, number of units into face value into rate of dividend will give the total dividend amount. Number of units into face value into rate of dividend will give you total dividend amount. Out of the total dividend amount divided by NAV will give you the additional units purchased. Opening units plus additional units purchased is equal to closing units. Okay? So it's just clinical. Just you can put it. You can put pen on paper and write one formula. You'll get it. Okay. Just interrelationship between two values. Okay. This is the dividend plan. This is the dividend plan issue prices. Dividend plan issue prices. Dividend plan issue price is 51.39. Dividend plan issue price is 51.39. Dividend plan issue price is 51.39. Right. Now, (48) divided by 49.2. 48 divided by 49.2 will get 17,903. 17,903. So issue price is equal to I will take this one. You can take a screenshot of this one, unnecessary it will be erased. Okay. Right, we can take a screenshot of this. 51.39. Opening investment, number of units purchased. So you have to go by reverse. 19,340, 18,718, 18,351, 17,903. The closing value will be 51.39. This is for the dividend reinvestment. Plan. Next, we'll go for the bonus plan. Bonus plan, they have given only two dates. Bonus dates. Look at the bonus dates. So the bonus dates is only 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2018. Now look at the bonus in what is the closing value of bonus plan? Okay, bonus plan. bonus plan, we'll write bonus plan, bonus plan, bonus plan, we'll write bonus plan. What is the investment for bonus plan? What is the investment for bonus plan? So investment for bonus plan, investment for bonus plan. So investment is 10 lakhs. Bonus plan investment amount is 10 lakhs. Investment amount is 10 lakhs. And profit is 6.4%. They have given, look at this. Investment amount is 10 lakhs. Investment amount is 10 lakhs. Investment amount is 10 lakhs. And profit is 6.4%. 6.4%. That means 64,000. 64,000. Therefore, closing value will be 10 lakh 64,000. Closing value will be 10 lakh 64,000. Number of units is equal to 10 lakh 64,000 divided by closing NAV. What is closing NAV? What is closing NAV? 10 lakh 64,000 divided by closing NAV. How much is the closing NAV? For bonus plan, 44 is the closing NAV. Closing NAV is the 44. Closing NAV is the 44. So 10 lakh 64,000 divided by 44. So number of units on 31st March 2020. Number of units on 31st March 2020. Therefore 10 lakh 64,000. 10 lakhs 64,000 divided by 44. 10 lakh 64,000 divided by 44. It will be 24,182. 24,182. 24,182 is the number of units. Number of units is 24,182. 24,182. So 10 lakh 64,000 divided by 44 is equal to 24,182. 24,182. 31st March 2020. Number of units on 31st March 2020. Number of units on 31st March 2020 is this point. Now we'll write number of units on what is the before date dividend, before date bonus shares, number of units on what is the bonus shares date. Bonus shares date is this point. First bonus shares is 31st December 2018. First bonus shares is 31st December 2018. 1:5. So number of units on 31st December 2018. Number of units on 1st December 2018. So now look at this point here. 24,182. They have given a bonus ratio of 1:5. 1 unit of 5 units. So therefore it will be 6 units, as simple as that. 5 earlier units plus 1 new unit. Okay. So 5 original units plus 1 bonus unit. 5 original unit plus 1 bonus unit. 5 original unit plus 1 bonus unit is equal to 6 units. 5 original unit plus bonus unit is equal to 6 units. Therefore, 24,182 is 6 units. How much is the 5 units? So therefore, 24,182 divided by 6. 24,182 divided by 6 into 5. Investment. 24,000 divided by 182 divided by 6 into 5. Divided by 6 into 5. Bonus shares. 24,182 is including bonus share. So it is including bonus shares. So before bonus shares, it will be 20,151. Before bonus shares, it will be 20,152. Rounding off. Okay. 20,152. It will be 20,152. It will be 20,152. That is number of units as on 31st March 2018. Number of units as on 31st March 2018. If you take the number of units on what is the bonus, first bonus issue? First bonus issue is on 31st March 2016. 31st December 2016. Number of units on 31st December 2016. So 31st December 2016. What is the original units? 4 original units. 4 original units plus 1 bonus unit. 1 bonus unit is equal to 5 units. Is equal to 5 units. So therefore, how much is 20,152 is 5 units. 20,152 is 5 units. 20,152 is 5 units into 4 units. What is the number of units before that? 20,152 is 5 units. Before that, it is 4 units. So 20,150 divided by 5 into 4. Divided by 5 into 4. 16,121 units. 16,121. 16,122. 16,122. 16,122 units. So therefore, issue price is equal to final answer. issue price is equal to investment 10 lakhs, investment divided by number of units, investment divided by number of units. Investment is how much? 10 lakhs is the investment, divided by 16,122 units purchased. 16,122 units purchased. So our 10 lakhs investment, okay, 10 lakhs investment, 10 lakhs investment divided by 10 lakhs investment divided by 16,122. So therefore the issue price will be 62.03. The issue price will be 62.03. The issue price will be 62.03. As simple as that. Okay, so this is the bonus issue plan. Just we have to take it. Only 2 bonus issues will be given. After bonus issue, the number of units are 5. After bonus issue, the number of units are 5. After bonus issue, the number of units are 5. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. You can take a screenshot of this bonus plan. Issue price is equal to 62.03. Bonus plan investment amount, profit, closing value. So number of units will be, number of units on 31st March 2020 will be 24,182. Number of units on 31st December 2028 will be 20,150. By 5 original units plus 1 bonus unit is equal to 6 units. This is equal to 6 units. This is equal to 6 units. If it is 6 units, how much is the 5 original units? 21,152. This is 5 units. How much is the original units of 4? Therefore, total number of units initially purchased is 16,122 is the initial units purchased. Thereafter 20,152 they become on 31st March. So in total, the issue price is 62.03. The issue price is 62.03. Very simple problem. We can, 1 second, if you want, you can take the screenshot of these two. Dividend plan. This is dividend plan. This is dividend plan. You can take screenshot of this dividend plan. Issue price is 51.39. I hope you have all taken the screenshot. Dividend plan 51.39. Next, bonus plan. Bonus plan is this point. Bonus plan issue price is 62.03. That is the calculation. Right. So next problem we'll discuss the next video.